Welcome back to the fourth dimension. It's Ken Jackson here. How you guys feeling? Ignore the music in the background. I'm gonna try to cover that up with some of my own shit. I ain't trying to get no copyright claims. Right now we're working on the fog lights for Ilaria. That fog lights. Hey, halogen, we finna change the LED bulbs. Let me get the box real quick. So we got some Alla lighting LED fog lights. 1 year warranty. Premium quality, 30,000 hour lifespan under normal condition. So, these are what the bulbs look like. I'm not gonna open them yet because I don't want to damage them. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna get this done on this 2014 Maxima. So, passenger side may be a little difficult. Pretty much, I'm gonna turn the wheel, pull this cover back. Luckily for me, my brother backed into her. As you can see this dent right here. So it's gonna be pretty easy to get back there. I got long arms, I get back there, get to that fog light, pull it out, put the other one in. Show you guys how it looks. Now, if you do not have the option to do that, you can always take the tire off and take the whole wheel cover off and go back up there. Let me show you the other way to do it. Ignore my engine covers, it's kind of dirty. The other option you have, if you cannot reach your hand behind the wheel cover or take the wheel off or whatever, either way it's a lot of work. The other option is take off this cover. You got some screws under here. You can easily pull this up, unscrew the screws. Pull this one up, unscrew the screws, take this out. I hate this design. I hate this so much when I had to change my headlights. Anyway, you got another clip right here you got to take out, and then you have some screws. Unscrew that from this side. There's another one on the other side, and once you do that, you can pull the bump up, pull it back towards you, drop the bumper, put your cover down there so you won't scratch your bump up, and that's real quick and easy access to the fog lights and to your headlight bulbs. If you want to change the whole headlight out, that's a whole different story. Let me get back to this fog light stuff. Let's let you guys see how it looks in a minute. I'm tired of him playing this trash music across the street. Anyway, got the LEDs hooked up. Only thing that's not LED is the high beams, and that's just fine. The fog lights look pretty good though, right? They're not supposed to be that bright since they are fog lights, but she's looking pretty. You look pretty, girl. Pretty looking girl. So like I said, you want to pull this flap back. I press mine back up in there. I had to use both my hands. I use my left hand for the passenger side specifically. I use my left hand to reach in there, and I use my right hand to pull this open. To pull it open a little bit to give my arm some more room. Just like I said, untwist it, pull it out. It's gonna hang right here. It's not gonna touch the ground because the cord isn't long enough. But pull the tab up. It's plug and play. Take out the halogen, put the LED bulb in. You straight. Driver's side was more easy, because it doesn't have, driver's side doesn't have the washer fluid and all that over there, so you had a lot more room. Like I said, my brother hit my baby, and I just pulled it from off of here. I'm gonna put this back in there actually, and that was easier to get to. It was actually closer, but that's it. Your LED fog lights. You can do it for the looks, or you can do it because you actually need it. Either way, thank you guys for watching. 2014 7th generation Maxima. Beautiful looking car. Thank you guys.